Okay, so what we got here is a Ford Fiesta 2009 installed with a rear view mirror monitor that provides you video for when you reverse, as well as a dash cam, a 2-in-1 system. So as you can see, it's recording and also shows you the rear of the car. And when you put into reverse, it goes into reversing mode with different views, so it's fully customizable. It's a dash cam as well, so you can see you've got the front lens there, so it records in the front as well as the rear, which you can access at any time. It's a great system and very useful. If you want this installed on your vehicle, give us a shout. See the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.